Hello, good evening, my dear students and all viewer of my videos on YouTube. Welcome to Vedic Gurukul YouTube classes. This is Jitendra Behera, teacher in mathematics at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Some student requested me to make one video about fundamental of polynomial. So today I am coming with this chapter, polynomial. This is a very important chapter for class 9 and 10, and some student unable to understand what is the fundamental behind that. So today I will briefly discuss about the history of polynomial, you can say. Let's start. Before going to discuss polynomial, I would like to discuss variable, constant and algebraic expression. It is necessary to know about these three terms. After that we will understand polynomial. Variable. What is variable? A symbol assigned for different numerical values. Means that is, we can take alphabet or any other symbols, x, y, a, theta, alpha. There are examples of variables which don't have any fixed numerical values. Okay. And what is constant? A quantity having a fixed numerical values is known as constant. So in constant we can take an example. 7 is a constant, root 3 is also a constant, where pi is equal to 22 by 7. It is also a constant. And if I will discuss g equals to 9.8 meter per second square, it is acceleration due to gravity and which value is fixed. So it is also a constant. Now you understand what is variable and what is constant. Now I will discuss what is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Constants and variables combined together by mathematical operations is known as 2x plus 3, root x minus 2, x to the power minus 2 plus 3x plus 5, where variable constant combined together by mathematical operation. There are four mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so I will discuss about algebraic expression and polynomial later, and I will distinguish between what is the difference between these two. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial if the power of the variables are whole numbers. In some books, it is given that the power of the variable are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means it is whole number. Okay. So if I will take 2x plus 3, it is an algebraic expression. It is also a polynomial. Okay. So if I will take this example, x to the power minus 2 plus 3x plus 5. Okay. Then here the power of the variable is negative. It is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial, but it is an algebraic expression. If I will take root x plus 3, so you understand the difference between an algebraic expression and a polynomial. What is terms of a polynomial? So let's start. What is polynomial? Addition and subtraction can divide terms, and multiplication and division doesn't divide terms. Okay, only addition and subtraction can divide terms. Suppose I will write 2x into 3 plus 5. Okay, how many terms are there? If this is multiplication, I will multiply, it will become 6x plus 5. It is looking like 3 terms, but actually it is 2 terms. Okay, if it is 2 terms, we can say it is a binomial. If it is 1 term, it is monomial. If it is 2 term, it is binomial. Then if I will take 2x plus 3 into 7x plus 2, it is looking like 4 terms. If I will make it little solve, it will become 2x plus 21x plus 2 is equal to 23x plus 2, which is a binomial. It is looking like a tetranomial, but it is a binomial. Okay. So let's come to understand what is degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is what? The power of the leading term of a polynomial is known as degree of a polynomial. Leading term means what? Here we understand what is leading term. Suppose I will write 3x square plus 9x plus 7. The leading term means the highest power variable term is known as leading term. Here it is leading term. 3x square is the leading term. And the power of the variable is 2. So it's degree 2 polynomial. Okay. By term wise it is a trinomial. By degree wise it is a degree 2 polynomial, or we can say quadratic polynomial. So types by terms, types by degrees. If I will write 2x, for example, I will write 2x. 2x is a monomial and it is a linear polynomial. I have written it is degree 1, so it is a linear polynomial. If I will take 3x square into 2 plus 5, it is looking like a trinomial, but it is a binomial because 3x square into 2 is 1 term. It is which type of polynomial? It is a binomial. By degree wise it is a quadratic polynomial, and we can say it is degree 2 polynomial. If I will take another example, x cube plus 2x square minus 9x, then it is a trinomial and the highest power of the variable is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. We can say it is degree 3 polynomial. Let's take another one example, x to the power 4 plus 2x minus 3. It is also a trinomial. Here degree of the power of the variable is x to the power 4. So it is a biquadratic polynomial, or we can say it is a degree 4 polynomial. So student, these are little fundamental just before starting polynomial, and in my next video I will briefly discuss about degree and terms of a polynomial. So thank you.